2026 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra, the ultimate three-wheel luxury tourer that redefines American freedom. What if you could experience the unmistakable soul of a Harley-Davidson touring motorcycle without worrying about balancing nearly 600 kilograms at every stop? Meet the 2026 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra, the ultimate American luxury touring trike built for riders who believe the adventure should never end. While two-wheel touring motorcycles continue chasing lighter weight and sharper handling, the Tri Glide Ultra follows a different philosophy: maximum comfort, maximum confidence, and unlimited long-distance capability. From the moment its massive front fairing, wide rear stance, and unmistakable Harley-Davidson styling come into view, it's obvious this machine wasn't designed to blend into traffic. It was built to dominate highways from coast to coast. Underneath its premium bodywork lies the legendary twin-cooled Milwaukee-Eight 114 V-twin, delivering effortless torque while surrounding both rider and passenger with first-class touring luxury. Add a spacious Tour-Pak, enormous rear trunk, premium infotainment, and three-wheel stability, and you've got one of the most capable touring machines Harley-Davidson has ever created. Whether you're crossing state lines, exploring national parks, or chasing sunsets across endless highways, the 2026 Tri Glide Ultra promises one thing above everything else: every journey becomes as unforgettable as the destination itself. Powering the 2026 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra is the proven twin-cooled Milwaukee-Eight 114 V-twin, an engine built specifically for effortless long-distance touring. Producing approximately 157 Newton-meters of torque, the big V-twin delivers immediate pulling power from low RPM, allowing the heavyweight trike to accelerate with surprising confidence, even when fully loaded with luggage and a passenger. Unlike high-revving sport motorcycles, the Tri Glide thrives on smooth, muscular torque that makes highway passing, steep mountain climbs, and relaxed cruising feel completely effortless. The 6-speed cruise drive transmission keeps engine speeds low on long interstate journeys, reducing fatigue while improving overall refinement. Electronic fuel injection ensures crisp throttle response regardless of weather or elevation, while the twin-cooled cylinder heads help maintain consistent operating temperatures during slow-moving traffic or hot summer touring. Fire up the engine, and the unmistakable Harley-Davidson rumble immediately fills the air, reminding everyone nearby that this is authentic American 5-twin performance. It's not about explosive acceleration. It's about delivering smooth, dependable power, hour after hour, mile after mile, making every cross-country adventure feel remarkably effortless. Few touring machines command attention like the Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra. Everything about its design communicates confidence, prestige, and long-distance capability. The iconic batwing fairing, signature LED lighting, sculpted fuel tank, and massive rear fenders create an unmistakable Harley-Davidson identity, while the dual rear wheels give the trike an even more commanding road presence. For recent models, Harley also introduced darker trim options alongside traditional chrome, giving buyers a choice between classic elegance and a more aggressive appearance. Massive cast wheels, integrated luggage, premium paint finishes, and beautifully detailed body panels reinforce the feeling that this isn't simply a motorcycle with an extra wheel, it's a luxury grand tourer built for serious adventures. Park it beside almost any touring motorcycle, and it immediately becomes the center of attention. Every angle reflects Harley-Davidson's heritage while embracing modern touring refinement. This isn't flashy styling for the sake of attention. It's timeless American craftsmanship elevated to an entirely new level. Whether parked outside a mountain lodge or rolling down historic Route 66, the Tri Glide Ultra looks exactly where it belongs, leading the journey. The greatest advantage of the Tri Glide Ultra becomes obvious the first time you stop at a traffic light. There is no balancing act, no concern about uneven pavement, and no anxiety when carrying a passenger or a full load of luggage. The three-wheel platform transforms heavy touring into a remarkably confidence-inspiring experience. Riders can focus entirely on the journey instead of supporting the motorcycle's weight during every stop. This added confidence becomes especially valuable during long-distance travel, slow-speed maneuvering, parking lots, or steep inclines where heavyweight touring motorcycles can feel intimidating. Harley-Davidson engineered the chassis to maintain excellent stability while preserving the familiar feel of its touring lineup. Wide rear tires provide reassuring grip, while premium suspension helps absorb road imperfections over thousands of miles. The result is a machine that encourages riders to travel farther and more often because physical fatigue is dramatically reduced. Many owners describe the Tri Glide as the motorcycle that allowed them to continue touring after they thought their two-wheel adventures had ended. Instead of limiting freedom, the third wheel expands it, making every destination feel more accessible than ever before. Step aboard the Tri Glide Ultra, and the luxury immediately becomes obvious. The plush touring seat supports both rider and passenger for all-day comfort, while the spacious passenger backrest transforms long-distance travel into a truly relaxing experience. Harley-Davidson designed this trike around the idea that every journey should feel like first-class travel on the open road. The large windscreen and batwing fairing provide outstanding weather protection, reducing fatigue during extended highway rides. Heated grips, premium audio, cruise control, and an advanced infotainment system keep every mile comfortable and entertaining, while the spacious floorboards allow riders to change foot position naturally throughout the day. One of the Tri Glide's greatest strengths is storage. The large rear trunk and king Tour-Pak combine to offer exceptional luggage capacity, making week-long or even cross-country adventures remarkably practical. Whether carrying camping equipment, riding gear, photography equipment, or travel essentials, there's room for nearly everything. This isn't simply transportation, it's a luxury touring experience designed to make every road trip feel unforgettable. Although the Tri Glide Ultra proudly celebrates Harley-Davidson tradition, it's equipped with advanced technology that quietly improves every ride. Electronic rider aids work behind the scenes to enhance confidence without distracting from the classic touring experience. Cornering conscious braking systems, traction management, cruise control, keyless ignition, premium infotainment, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation functions help transform long-distance riding into a seamless experience. The Boom Box infotainment system provides music, communication, and navigation through an intuitive touchscreen interface, while premium speakers deliver impressive sound quality even at highway speeds. Bright LED headlights and auxiliary lighting improve nighttime visibility while preserving Harley-Davidson's unmistakable styling. Every electronic feature exists to support the rider, rather than overwhelm them with unnecessary complexity. Harley-Davidson understands that luxury touring should feel effortless. That's why the technology fades into the background, allowing riders to focus on what truly matters, enjoying the open road. The result is a motorcycle that successfully blends timeless American touring heritage with modern innovation in a way few competitors can match. Some motorcycles are designed for short weekend rides. The Tri Glide Ultra was built to cross entire countries in complete comfort. Its generous fuel capacity, relaxed riding position, smooth V-twin performance, and enormous luggage space encourage adventures measured not in hours, but in weeks. Every morning begins with excitement rather than fatigue, because the motorcycle feels ready for another full day on the highway. The comfortable ergonomics allow riders to cover hundreds of miles while remaining remarkably refreshed, and passengers enjoy the same premium accommodations throughout the journey. Scenic coastal highways, towering mountain passes, endless desert roads, and historic small towns all become part of the experience rather than obstacles to overcome. Fuel stops often become conversations as curious travelers admire the impressive size and craftsmanship of the Tri Glide Ultra. It's a touring machine that naturally attracts attention wherever it goes. More importantly, it inspires confidence to continue exploring destinations that might once have seemed too ambitious. That's the true purpose of this motorcycle. Not simply traveling farther, but making every mile easier, safer, and more enjoyable. For riders considering a premium touring trike, the Tri Glide Ultra remains one of the most recognizable names in the segment. It appeals to experienced Harley enthusiasts, returning riders seeking greater confidence, and touring couples who value comfort above all else. Many owners appreciate how the three-wheel platform allows them to continue enjoying long-distance adventures despite changing physical demands, or simply a preference for additional stability. The familiar Harley-Davidson character remains fully intact, from the deep VT twin soundtrack to the commanding riding position and unmistakable road presence. Yet the experience feels more relaxed because balancing concerns disappear completely. Instead of worrying about every stop sign or parking lot, riders simply enjoy the scenery ahead. That's a powerful transformation. It isn't about replacing traditional motorcycles. It offers an alternative that extends the touring lifestyle for countless enthusiasts. In many ways, the Tri Glide Ultra represents freedom without compromise. It preserves everything riders love about Harley-Davidson, while making grand touring accessible to an even wider audience. Premium touring machines naturally command premium prices, and the Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra is no exception. But when viewed as a long-term investment in comfort, reliability, and unforgettable adventures, its value becomes much easier to understand. Owners receive legendary Harley-Davidson craftsmanship, proven Milwaukee-Eight performance, exceptional luggage capacity, premium touring amenities, and one of the most recognizable three-wheel platforms in the world. Unlike motorcycles designed around short-term trends, the Tri Glide Ultra focuses on timeless qualities that continue satisfying riders year after year. It encourages longer trips, more comfortable travel, and greater confidence regardless of experience level. Strong aftermarket support also allows owners to personalize nearly every aspect of the motorcycle, making every Tri Glide unique. Whether exploring the American West, cruising scenic coastal highways, or simply enjoying relaxed weekend escapes, the Tri Glide consistently delivers an experience that's difficult to duplicate. For riders committed to luxury touring without compromise, few machines offer such a complete package. It's not merely a motorcycle. It's an investment in years of unforgettable memories on the open road. After experiencing everything the 2026 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra represents, one conclusion becomes impossible to ignore. This isn't simply Harley-Davidson's flagship touring trike. It's one of the finest luxury three-wheel touring machines ever built. From its legendary twin-cooled Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine to its premium comfort, massive storage capacity, advanced electronics, and unmistakable American styling, every detail exists to make long-distance adventures easier, safer, and more enjoyable than ever before. It proves that adding a third wheel doesn't reduce excitement, it expands possibilities. Whether you're a lifelong Harley enthusiast, a touring couple planning cross-country adventures, or a rider searching for maximum confidence without sacrificing premium touring luxury, the Tri Glide Ultra deserves a place at the top of your list. Now we want to hear from you. Would you choose the 2026 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra over the Honda Goldwing Tour DCT with a trike conversion, the Harley-Davidson Road Glide 3, or an Indian touring trike? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoy this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next incredible touring motorcycle is already waiting just around the corner.